Dear student, today I will define some concept in linear algebra, which is the first paper. Linear algebra included in pure mathematics, means conceptual mathematics. Here we will discuss the vector space. I will upload the videos on my YouTube channel continuously. So be continue to see and understand the videos on the vector space. First of all, we will define the algebraic structure. A non-void set with one binary operation. It is learned in BSc part first. But here we will extend this algebraic structure. Here we will consider two sets and two operations. So structure V, a non-void set, F, the field, plus the internal operation and into the external operation is said to be vector space if following axioms are satisfied. First, plus is a internal operation. So plus is a function from V cross V to itself, defined as image of ordered pair U AB is equal to A plus B. And a second operation, that is into operation, is a external operation. So it is a function from A cross V to V. It means image of alpha A equal to alpha A. Now this structure is said to be vector space. If V plus abelian group means the operation is closed, associative, identity element exists, every non-zero element invertible, every element is invertible, and the operation is commutative. And second, for all lambda and xi belongs to F, you can say they are scalars. Elements of field are called scalars. And for all UV belongs to V. V is a vector space. So its elements are called vectors. These scalars and vectors are totally different from the physics entities. So lambda of U plus V is equal to lambda U plus lambda V. Second property, lambda plus xi of U, lambda U plus xi U. Lambda xi of U is equal to lambda xi of U. 1 dot U is equal to U. So this is said to be left vector space because all scalars are placed on left side. If these scalars are placed in right side, so this is said to be right vector space. So every left vector space is equal to right vector space, then we can say it is a vector space. And symbolically we write V bracket F. V is a vector space over the field. Now some examples are R set of real number. R is also a field. So R is a vector space over R. C, the set of complex number, is vector space over R. Fn, set of n tuples, is also vector space over F. RC, R is stand for set of real number and C is a set of complex number, since set of complex number is also field. So real number is not a vector space over the field of complex number. You can prove easily by satisfying the properties. The set of complex number is also vector space over the set of complex number. Now let us define one example. It will clear you how can we show the vector space. R is a set of real number. Then we define a special set R square. Set of ordered pair AA such that A1 and A2 belongs to R. We have to show that R square is a vector space over the field of real number. What are these internal operation and external operation? So every element of R square will be in the form of ordered pair. So we consider two ordered pairs A1, A2, B1, B2 belong to R square. So A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, it can be defined as a internal operation. And second operation, external operation A1, A2, it means A1 or A2 for all AIs and BIs belongs to R. Now show that R square is a abelian group. We consider two elements of R square, we add them. A1 plus B1, this element, this ordered pair is also belongs to R because AIs and BIs are real numbers. So plus is closed in R. So AI plus BI and A2 plus B2 will be in R. So finally this element will contain R2. So this we can say that the operation is closure. Associativity, we pick three elements like this, and by this way we can show that it is associative because plus operation is associative in the set of real number. Now every element is identity element. 0 0 will be identity element because A1 plus A2 plus 0 0, A1 plus 0, A2 plus 0. A1 plus 0 is equal to A because 0 is additive identity. So we can say 0 0 will be additive identity for the operation. Minus A1 minus A2 belongs to R square because we will add this element by A1 A2. We will get identity element 0 0. So since elements taken randomly in a haphazard way, so you can say the operation is operation exists. It means we can say the every element is immutable. Commutativity, A1, A2, B1, B2, we add them. A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2. This can be written B1 plus A1, B2 plus A2. Since plus operation is commutative in the set of real number, hence we can show that R square plus is an abelian group. The remaining properties can be shown easily. So finally we can say that the R square is a vector space over the set of real number for the operations define this. So you can take many examples by the help of book and you can understand easily how can we prove that the Elizabeth structure is a vector space. Thank you.